asunto-osakeyhtiö Rekolinna.
Yes, today it is the 16th one for us. That bakery is very amazing. It's also Fredrikinkatu 6, this deck is C, and I filled this deck is D here before I calculated 6 just filled it as well. There are 6 floors here, and this was built in 1926, and more or less in the beginning of 1986, still with NPN6, which was inside, really late. Indeed, it was late 1985, 6 floors. We expected the next year, 2024, and only in Swedish. The Finnish one was ripped off here for some reason. And this has 3 rides.
Yeah.
So it's so rare. And we will enjoy the ride. Our press. The number is H514. Yes, it really has to be this late with these buttons because it wouldn't be written otherwise. It was the turn of the year 1985-86.
Yeah.
Because we thought the latest was the beginning of 1978, but it was as late as almost 8 years later.
Tippaakin vaan, jos katsot meitä paisilla.
Yeah. But if we don't find any other NPN6 modernization with these buttons between the beginning of 1978 and the third year 1985-86, then this really has to be some special order.
Yeah.
But as far as we know, even on a special order, this is the latest we've seen so far.
Yeah.
And we will also go to the stations NPN here soon.
Yeah.
And I forgot to mention that this is also here in Kampen, Helsinki is modernized Finland, but next to Töölö. But it still belongs to Kampen.
Yes.
Yeah. I think Fredrikinkatu is like the border.
Yeah.
And that's it. Let's go. You can take the bench up.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching, and that's it. And please watch the Stakes here as well. And we'll go to the Stakes B later, so that's really rare. And all of them, each of them deserve 3 rides.
That's